Good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter 1 from history. What is the chapter? Chapter name: Tracing changes through a thousand years. And in the previous class, we studied the history of the ancient period. We discussed about the history of ancient India and ancient civilization of subcontinent India. But in this class, we shall study the history of medieval period. What is the duration of the medieval period? In different country, different duration of medieval period. Like in Europe, the medieval period was begun in the 6th century AD and ended in the 15th century AD. But in India, this period began with the 8th century AD and ended in the 18th century AD. It means medieval period in India from 8th century AD to 18th century AD. During this period, India saw many remarkable changes in the political, economic, social and cultural life of the people. So, we have to study medieval period in India. In this class, we have to study. So, let us start. Our first topic is geographical influence on history. What is the influence on history? The geographical condition of a region directly or indirectly affect its history. For example, the geography of the subcontinent means India, has greatly influenced its history. Geography determines the development of a particular area. What is the area and what is the impact? In these areas where the environment is favorable, then population densely and their culture also affected by outside influence of foreign travelers. But on the other hand, the places with an unfavorable environment are sparsely populated. The culture, it means in these areas sparsely populated, the culture that developed here is not much affected by the outside influence like the densely populated region. Come to the next point, maps and medieval India. What is the relation between maps and medieval India? First, we know that the cartography. What is the cartography? The art or science of making maps is known as cartography. A person who study the history of map making or use tools and techniques to make new maps is known as cartographer. So you can easily understand that what is the difference between cartography and cartographers. Come to the next stanza. Next, in ancient India, people did not know about cartography or map making. It means in medieval period, people know about how to draw the map. In fact, the worldwide growth of trade and the expansion of empire during the medieval period created the need of accurate map. Then why the need of the map, accurate map? Because of the growth of the trade and expansion of the empire during this medieval period. The Arab and the Europeans were the first who developed the science of cartography. They felt a need for maps. Why they felt to need for making maps? Because they often undertook long journey over land and sea. Contact with the Arabs and Europeans helped Indians to learn about cartography. It means Indians learn how to make map to Arabs and Europeans. And Arab geographer Al-Edesi made a world map in 1154. Here is your first map. India shown like this. First map. Al-Edesi make this map. Okay. And come to the next. These map. One map is a part of his world map that show a detail of the Indian subcontinent. But second map, here is a second map, was made up by French cartographer in 1720s, nearly 600 after making first map. This was a part of an atlas. Although both the maps show the same area, the Indian subcontinent, they are quite different from each other. It means these map number 1 and map number 2, quite different, but it is subcontinent Indian map. Okay, and today we have to learn the cartographer and how the medieval period, what is the development of in medieval period. In next class we have to learn the map number 1 and map number 2 detail. Okay, thank you.